Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing. That one is Apple AirPod 4th generation active noise cancellation. This product I'm purchasing here local supermarket as well as electronic store, the Vortex. The product price is of 1499 Danish krona. Link is available on video description if you want to purchase this product. So in this video we will see unboxing and how to connect this AirPod my latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Even we will see which types of voice you are receiving after connecting this AirPod on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So now let's start unboxing of this product first of all. So now let's start unboxing. First of all, I just simply open this one here. So look at this one and this one. So we can just simply remove this one. Inside the box we are receiving here the magic booklet. This is our product. This year they are not sending any kind of cable. So this is our product. So look at this here. This is ANC. That's why the speaker is coming here. One of the important points come here. You should use C types of charging cable and you can very easily charge this adapter and this AirPod. If you have MacBook, so the same charger you should use here and very easily charge this one. That one is really amazing. So now here inside the box, look at this, the AirPods. Its quality is amazing. Now we can see how to connect this AirPod on latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now this is iPhone 16 Pro Max. I just simply open this one and we can see I just simply open this one and let's see the AirPod is showing here or not, and boom, look at this, the AirPod is showing here. We can just simply tap here and connect. Look at this, personalized volume. Yes, of course, I just simply connect both AirPod in my ear and let's see. Hello, my name is Sangram Singh. Lower media volume when I start the speaking, turn it on, and look at this here, the 40% battery and 64% AirPods. That's it. We can see here this is a active noise cancellation. That one is really interesting. Active noise cancellation, you should off privacy, transit privacy, active noise cancellation, left and right. And here the scroll down, look at this here, some other information is also available, serial number, the limited warranty like a 12, 21, 20, 25. So just today I am purchasing this one, 21th of December, and here you should change the name. That's it. This is our AirPod. It's very easy. You should charge this one, very easily charge. And this year they are not introducing here the button, so you should, apart from this button, you should tap here twice, and after that the AirPod is a restart, reset up is going on. Just simply press here twice and then reset our AirPod. Now I will show you which types of voice we are receiving. So guys, currently I'm using both AirPods in my ear. Look at this here, left hand side and right hand side. Now you're receiving this voice using this AirPods. So you decide which types of voice you are receiving. Previously I'm using the Rode wireless micro and currently I record this video using this AirPod. So which types of voice you are receiving and what is your feedback, you can provide me on comment section. Next video we will see how to recognize duplicate AirPod and original AirPod. I have both AirPods, the duplicate as well as, and this one is original. I'm purchasing the authorized store. So how to recognize, we will see detailed demonstration on next video. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.